this video, I will demonstrate the process of removing a payment method from your Prime Video account. If you have added a credit or debit card to your Prime Video account for payment and wish to remove it, follow these steps. Visit the Prime Video website and click on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. In the Account and Settings section, click on Manage Wallet. Here will be listed all your payment methods. Locate the card you wish to remove and click on the drop-down arrow next to it. Select the option to remove card. Confirm the removal by clicking on Confirm Remove. By following these steps, you will successfully remove your card from your Prime Video account. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel for more helpful content.